Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Messenger chats. It's quite easy. So open your Messenger application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the three horizontal lines from the bottom right corner of your screen or the menu. Now, once you're in this page, you need to go ahead and then tap on the gear icon in the top or the settings option. Now scroll down to the preference section. And here you'll get the option of privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap on that. Now under the security section, you'll get the option of end-to-end encrypted chats that is below the app log option. Tap on that. Now you'll get two different options of message, storage, and security alerts in the top. And then you'll also see the option of previews in the bottom. Go to message storage, and here you can see your last backup date. To turn on backups, you need to simply scroll down to secure storage. You need to tap on more options and then simply go ahead and toggle the option of auto sync. If you turn it off, new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up. Follow the on-screen prompts and it will ask you to create a PIN. And if you want to reset your PIN, you can go to reset PIN section and it will ask for your current PIN and then your new PIN. So that's how you can back up your Messenger chats. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.